In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a before and after slider to your Behance project. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to enhance their portfolio by showcasing their design transformations in a dynamic way. So let's jump right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Behance's website. Once there, log into your account if you haven't done that already. Next, navigate over to your Behance profile. You can find the profile icon typically in the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will take you to your main profile page where all your current projects and collections are displayed. Once on your profile, you're going to create a new project by clicking the Create a Project button. It's usually bold and easy to find, making this step a straightforward task. With that underway, it's time to switch gears and visit a website called Juxtapose. Juxtapose is a great tool for creating interactive sliders that compare a before and after image. Open a new tab and type in the Juxtapose URL in your browser. When you're on the Juxtapose site, you'll see an option that reads Make a Juxtapose. Click on that, and this will lead you to the workspace where you can assemble your slider. Now, it's photo URL time. Find your before image and paste the URL into the designated spot for the left image. Do the same with your after image, pasting its URL into the slot for the right image. After adding both images, make sure to preview the slider to ensure that everything appears as you want it. Take a look at the animation and alignment to ensure it's perfect. When you're satisfied, go ahead and copy the embed code that Juxtapose provides. This code is crucial because it allows you to integrate the slider into your Behance project seamlessly. Now, return to your Behance project setup. Look for the embed option. It allows you to insert custom HTML, which is what Juxtapose provides. Click on it and paste the embed code we copied earlier. All that's left is to confirm by clicking the embed button. At this point, you're only a couple of clicks away from completing your enhanced project. Hit continue to move on to the final steps. Finally, it's time to go public with your masterpiece. Click on Publish to make your project live on Behance for the entire design community to admire. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully showcase your work transformations on Behance using an engaging before and after slider. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you present your creative journey in a more interactive way. Happy designing!